Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today's lesson will be learning Urdu alphabet. Urdu has 38 letters in its alphabet and Urdu is written from right to left. Okay, so let's start with the first one. You see under each letter you will have a word written in English which is the pronunciation for that letter. So let's start with the first one. Alif. Second one is Be, then Pe, Te, Te. These two look alike because they say T here and T there, but this T is kind of softer, so it's Te, versus this T which is kind of harsher, so it's Te. Then Se, Jeen, Che. Badi hai, Khe. Dal, Dal, Zal, Re, Ade. Ze, Ye, Sin, Sheen, Swad. Zwad, Toe, Zoe. Okay, here again, please read this as T-O-Y and Z-O-Y. Toe, Zoe. An, Ghan, Fe, Qaf, Qaf, Gaf. Lam, Meem, Noon, वाव छोटी है, दो चश्मी है, हमजा छोटी ये, and lastly बड़ी ये. Okay, so these are the Urdu alphabet, and just like in English, the letters are put together to make words. I'll give you a small example here. Look at the first two letters. Alif, the sound of Alif is A, like it corresponds to English A, and the sound of Be is Ba, like B in English. So if you put these two together, Alif and Be, the word is Ab. Ab. Ab is now in English. N-O-W, now. The translation of now in Urdu is Ab. Similarly, there are other examples that will be coming across in the future lessons. Okay, great. So I hope that you enjoyed this lesson, and we'll meet you in the next lesson. Take care. Khuda Hafiz.